highlights ... First, soak 2 cup rice for 30 min. Add some zira. Now add 4 TBS all. ADD for cup of water. Add salt 1 TBS. Add rice and cook for 10 min. Rice is ready. Now let's cook Rajma. Soak 250 grams Rajma for 7 hours and add 1 TBS of salt while boiling. Boil Rajma for 30 minutes on high flame. Make paste of 2 onion, tomatoes, and 2 TBS garlic paste in blender. Add half cup all and tomato and onion paste. Add red chili powder 1 TBS, haldi powder half TBS and coriander powder 2 TBS. Add ginger garlic paste and Rajma. Add some garam masala and butter. Cook for 10 minutes. Done. Enjoy! Like, share and subscribe.